Is the Amazon influencer program completely dead? Now, it is true, you can't pick up a pen, do a 5-second video on it, and get paid $7,000 anymore. But does that mean the program isn't worth doing at all anymore? In this video, we're going to examine that and a little bit more. Let's get into it. So before we dive in, just in case you don't know much about the Amazon Influencer Program, make sure to go down below, grab the link, and join the Online Business Academy. Have full courses on Amazon FBA, on affiliate marketing, and yes, on the Amazon Influencer Program. And on top of that, you also have the opportunity to be coached by me. You can submit any video question you have, and I'll give you video feedback to make sure any question you have gets answered. Now let's dive into this question. Is the Amazon Influencer Program actually dead? Well, the fact that I'm making this video should answer that. No, it's absolutely not. Now, it's not what it was. Inside of OBA, the Online Business Academy, I've done full videos of all of my data over the last 3 years. Since 2022, I've been in the program. I have a dozen plus videos that have done over $2,000, probably 20 plus that have done over 1,000, and then tons more that are 100, 500, 700, 800. So some of those videos, I believe at one time, I did plastic sandwich bags that did like $350. Those kind of opportunities aren't what they used to be, but that doesn't mean the program's dead. In fact, it just means you have to use a different strategy now. So there are a few things I want to dive into, two mainly that I think are going to be perfect for a lot of you if you're still doing the Amazon influencer program, and specifically why I think this is still such a great opportunity for people who haven't started their own business yet. Because what this allows you to do is get a lot of momentum, because as you see money actually coming into your bank account, it gives you the confidence to start doing other things like affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA or one of the other business models that we talk about. So I still love it for beginners, but let's dive into how do you really make money on it nowadays. The first one, and this is just an overarching recommendation. This isn't really one of the two things we're talking about today, but I'm always going to recommend review everything you own. I'm much more of the mindset of these videos are about quantity, not quality. Now, as you do more of them, you do want to begin to increase the quality, but at the beginning, you're really just focused getting as many videos created as you possibly can. Quantity is going to outshine quality. So take everything you own, review everything, get the reps in, get practice, just creating as many videos as you possibly can. To this day, I've still done a lot that are without my face and some that are with my face. And I've actually found that the data isn't that different between them. So point your phone at whatever the item is, shoot the video, post the video, and go on to the next one, or actually shoot a lot of videos and then post all of them at once. For some of my bigger items, such as these bookshelves back here, I do recommend putting your face in, but that's completely optional. So do this just for the sake of practice and getting better at the craft, especially when it comes to the speed of shooting videos and the quality at which they're being created and what you're saying about each product. Now let's dive into the two things that I think are really going to be the difference maker of whether you make money from the Amazon Influencer Program or not. The first one is brand deals. Now, if you've done this for any time at all, you know that after you start creating some videos, brands are going to reach out to you to review their products. Now, once in a while, I might review a product without charging if that's a product I really, really want. But most of the time, what we're going to want to do is charge for those products. So I started with $25 just because I never charged someone for doing these kind of reviews. Now I usually do $50. In certain cases, I'll do more if I really don't care about getting the product. Now, you don't get as much as you used to, specifically because there are more options for them to go out there and offer these products to free for more people, and a lot of people will take them for free. But the real goal is to develop relationships with brands long term, so you do a lot of products for them and you continue to do higher and higher quality products. So as we're doing brand deals and developing really good relationships with these brands, these are the three components of what you're going to get. Because what we've already talked about is commissions are not what they were in 2022, 2023, and 2024, early 2024. Commissions are coming down, and this just isn't reliable. If your entire Amazon influencer business is dependent upon just getting commissions, I wouldn't trust it. But once you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brand deals in place, you're getting paid directly from the brand. You're making commissions on Amazon from every product that you review. And then you also have the option to resell. So you can go to Poshmark, you can go eBay, you can go Facebook Marketplace, we teach this inside the Online Business Academy, how to do Amazon FBA with online arbitrage. And you can take those products and resell them back on Amazon. All of those options are available, but highly, highly, highly recommend if you're really serious about the Amazon Influencer Program, start focusing on brand deals so you can make sure how much money you're going to make every month is predictable because commissions are going to go up and down. Finally, it's about buying the right products. We're no longer in the days, even though I suggest this more to become good at the craft. We're just not in the days anymore where you can buy any product and any product's going to make you money. 30, 40, 50% might not make you a penny anymore, but you can get creative in buying the right products. And the way that I've started doing that is using a software called Viral View. Now, there's a link for this down in the description, so I'm going to highly recommend go check it out because I've tried a few different softwares. Nothing has performed as well as Viral View has. So there's a couple pieces specifically that I really like about the software. So the first one, and I'm not going to go into it just because I'm not going to show my personal order history, but this button right here might be one of the biggest ones. So this is orders. You can click on it and go through every product you have ever ordered on Amazon. Even better, you can then, for close friends, close family, if they will allow you to log into their account, you can also get their order history and then make videos on their best items. So for example, I had a good friend of mine who they were out of town for a week. I told him I would go over, feed his cat, watch the house, do a few things just to make sure everything was going okay at the house. And in exchange, he let me go over and review as many products as I wanted. I went over there for like 4 days and I have made over $6,000 on those products that I reviewed over at his house. But what I wish I had known was with something like Viral View, I could go over there for 1 day, only review the top 30, 40, 50 products and save myself a lot of time because only 20, 30% are making all of the money. And that's typically how it works. So you can go through your own order history or the order history of people close to you and review the best products. You can also look at the products you've already reviewed, maybe your best performing ones you can recreate content, or some that aren't showing up. I'll actually show a quick example of this one. So you can see the ESV Study Bible, for example. This isn't a great one to review. It doesn't have a good viral score. This one is, this one isn't. But you can see right here, the video placement, my video is at the bottom of this specific ESV Study Bible. For this one, it's at both the top and the bottom carousel. And that's obviously what we're going for, wanting to be in the top and the bottom. So you can look at all the products you've ever reviewed, see if there's anything that you want to recreate content around. Maybe you have neither the top or the bottom. So maybe you want to create more content. I do highly recommend if it's a high viral score and you're not top or bottom, maybe create some more content around that to get either into that top carousel or the bottom. Another one is going to be, actually, we'll come back to this at the very end. Another one is this Chrome extension actually shows up on the Amazon website itself. So I just typed in a random one, weight set. I actually just got some stuff for the house. So I was just thinking about this category. And what you can see that Viral View is going to do is right below, forgive me, I have a lot of Chrome extensions for things like online arbitrage, but this right here is what's going to show up under every search. So you have the viral score. Now the viral score, I don't know the exact algorithm of it, but it's some combination of how much products sell, the revenue, how many times per month, how many Amazon influencer videos there are they actually allowing influencer videos into the top carousel, and how many are being allowed into the bottom. So the reason, primarily, we're going to see this has a really bad viral score is because this product right here is because there are 46 influencer videos. Now, you don't need to be doing any review videos if there are 46 influencer videos, right? So we can immediately eliminate all of these kind of products. Now, first thing I'm going to say about this is there are 2 ways to go about it, and both are just worth thinking about. One, you can go out and specifically buy high quality products with really good viral scores with the intention to make money on them. And that's for some people. Some people are going to want to invest in products specifically to do that. But what I think everybody should be doing is start thinking about when you have to buy something, why don't we buy a product that has a really high chance of getting you good commissions? So let's say we do need to buy a weight set, and you don't have to buy the very, very best one, the one at the top, because what's typically going to happen is this very first one is going to have 28 influencer videos. I'm just not going to buy that one. Instead, I'm going to go find one that has a higher probability of giving me commissions while still being the product that I'm looking for. So it start changing the way that you everyday products, right? Start changing the way you think about things like soap, shampoo, a hat, a shirt, pants, literally anything you're buying, something for your pet. You can buy things that have this higher probability. So we can look at a few more. I'm immediately not going to buy this because 28 influencer reviews. I'm not going to buy this. I would maybe buy a 10 one. You can definitely possibly get in with 10. I don't love it. I'm not going to buy it specifically to create a review, but I'd consider it. This is an interesting one because there's 0 influencer reviews, but the question is, the reason this has a low viral score, first of all, we don't have the revenue, but second, we don't know if this product is going to allow influencer videos into the top carousel because we just don't have that data because there's no influencer reviews yet. So that's why it's a 50 and not higher. Let's see, you can look at some other ones. This might be a really good opportunity right here. There's only 6 influencer videos, but the reason the viral score is low is because of those 6 influencer videos, nothing is getting into the top carousel, and that's where we really want to be. That's where we're going to make our money. So again, you can just see the power of this. We're never going to do a product with 102 influencer videos. It's a waste of time. So let me just jump into one of these just so you can see this. So not only that's for online arbitrage. Sorry, this is going to be slow because I have a lot of Amazon Chrome extensions. You can see Seller Amp showing up over here too. So when you get to the product page itself, I wanted to point this out. You can see the viral score. You can see all this data on the product page as well. Now let me show you an example of a good one because I did believe there was at least one good one on this page. I'm scrolling down, just glancing at viral scores. Here we go. So this is a really good one. We have one influencer video, and this would be, a great product. This right here. We see that they sell $23,000, $24,000 of product a month. It has a good viral score. I do not have a video, so no video means that I personally have not made a video for this product. There is one influencer video. Now, the reason this is really important, 1 is the perfect number because this means we can prove that this product has gotten into the top carousel, right? So that's really, really good that it shows us that if we make a video, the percentage is very likely that we're going to get up there as well because they've proven that they'll already put influencer videos in that top carousel and there's not much competition because there's only one other. So this would be a great product. So you can do manual searches like this, go through lots of stuff and find really good products, but also as you buy things that you would normally buy anyways, buy things with really high viral scores. This is especially good if you buy a lot of things on Amazon. One final note is if you're someone who wants to go out and find really, really good opportunities and you're going to buy, for example, right now, we're about to have a baby. My wife is 38 weeks pregnant, so any day now. So I'll use the Viral View web extension or web app, however they call this. You can see all the stuff up here. The web app is what they call it, so you can access it directly from here. So what I like to do is I'll come up here to filters. You go to Viral Finder. That's how today's going. Click on products, and you can see products with tons of really high score, and you can just go straight through these. You can do number of items per page and just find products that way. But what I like to do is go to filter, go to category. I have to buy a lot of baby products right now. Click on baby, confirm. And now we're going to see a lot of products that have very good viral scores, but are in the category of baby. Sorry, I had to refresh it. But here we go. You can see tons of different items. We'll up it to 50. But you can see all of these baby items now with really high viral scores. Now, I would suggest always going in and checking the individual item to make sure the viral score at the top up here matches this. It's usually close, but it's not always exact. But this is going to help you buy products that you'd be buying anyways that have a higher chance of giving you really, really good commissions. So that's why I think Viral View is a no-brainer if you're using the Amazon Influencer Program. Again, make sure to go down, grab that link in the description, and you can sign up for Viral View. If you have any questions about the Amazon Influencer Program, leave them down in the comments, or again, feel free to come over, join the Online Business Academy. We have a full course for you, but I will also answer any question you have. You can submit a video to me, and then I'll give you a video feedback. I can give you tips on your videos, what's working, what's not. I can help you organize your system to make sure you're getting as many videos out as quickly as possible while keeping everything under a good structure and knowing where everything is. So I'd love to help you in any way that I possibly can, but you can do that through the link down below for the Online Business Academy. Guys, please do make sure to subscribe. I've got a lot of more great content coming your way. So I'll see you again very, very soon.